Hey guys, this is Manish. First of all, I would like to apologize for the delay in uploading this video. Nevertheless, better late than sorry. So without further ado, let's see what we have today. This Oracle database video is in the continuation of our previous video where we saw how to use SQL Distinct with one column. Today we will see how to use SQL Distinct keyword with two or more columns or SQL Distinct with multiple columns. Let's open SQL Developer. You can use terminal if you are on Linux or command prompt or PowerShell if you are on Windows machine. To make this concept easy to understand, I have created a table by the name of example. This table has 4 columns: first name, middle name, last name and example ID. Here I have inserted some values. Let's do our first query and see what we have in our first name column. Execute, press Ctrl and enter, or you can use function F9 key. As you can see, this column has 6 entries named Steven. This first name Steven can belong to either one person or to 6 different people, but we cannot say anything due to insufficient data. Now if we use SQL Distinct, we will get one row in return. Because it will remove the redundant data as seen in my earlier video. Now let's do our second query and add middle name to our first name Steven. Then execute. Now we can see there are 6 rows. 2 rows each with name Stephen Paul and Stephen Wilson and Stephen David. Now if we use SQL Distinct, then upon executing we will get 3 unique pair of data. Note here that uniqueness of data decided by considering first name and middle name together. Now let's move on the last name column. Then execute. Now we can see there are again 6 rows. 2 rows each with name Stephen Paul Jobs and Stephen Wilson Grant. And 2 distinct rows with name Stephen David Arthur and Stephen David House. Okay, let's use SQL Distinct keyword. As we can see now that the redundant data have been removed and only 4 unique names are decided by Oracle server. So the final result consists of 4 unique names: Stephen David House, Stephen Wilson Grant, which are 2 distinct rows we have, and Stephen David Arthur and Stephen Paul Jobs. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share or comment. Your appreciation means a lot to me. Thanks for watching. This is Manish.